Good morning again from Coach Tom Costa. You know, one thing leads to another. You do this little hustle driving back and forth to work. So last week I stopped, I was just driving home, crossing through an alley. I picked up a stove that someone set out, helping keeping my neighborhood clean by picking up stuff and make a little money. Lady stops her car, goes, "Hey, can you come to my office? We're getting rid of file cabinets." So I got a load of file cabinets. Let's go drive over and see what we get for this. I mean, I got to have like 8, 10 of these in the truck. They're usually not that heavy, but one thing led to another. So it's important to let people know what you do, or they see what you do. They see you around, they trust you. Let's see what happens. And again, that's what I was talking about. Get a truck or a good looking car for an Uber. We'll see. Talk to you soon. Okay, we're back. We got everything back. And this is not too shabby. This is about an hour's worth of work. One thing led to another. People know what I do. They stopped me. They saw me. They felt good about me. 1,180 pounds of file cabinets. It dropped from 180 to 170 per gross ton. And this is all done before work. Not too shabby. All right, back again, and to wrap it up, punch that like button, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all of you guys for watching all the time. If I'm 16, I got to be 18, I believe, to be an Uber or a Lyft driver. Families, get that young one if they're a hustler and help them out. Or kid, you could scrap those nickels together. Get a little truck. You could haul, dump, do small moving jobs, anything, all cash. You don't have to wait till you're 18 to get this hustle on. I just got this job from, someone saw me in the street, stopped me, and they filled the truck, and I'm going back to get some more today. So I really recommend it. I also did this before work, and I share this with the kids. Like, a lot of people, they won't open their mind up like, oh my God, I did my regular job. I have to go home and sit on the sofa for like 6 hours. No, you don't. If you want the things that are extra special in life, you got to be willing to do the things that others won't do. And a lot of it is mindset. Go to bed a little sooner, get up a little earlier, and get something done. It's all up to you. I got links below. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next adventure. Thank you so much. Love you guys.